Hi, this is Amit Saad and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
We've taken a few questions from your fans as well, so let's take a few fan questions. You definitely have.
Coffee excuse me. Coffee like चीनी बताऊंगा. बोलो यार.
This is Jia from UAE, Dubai.
Hi Jia, how are you?
Which scene was the most difficult one for you as a performer? I think she's talking about Sultan.
In Sultan, every scene was difficult because there were two things. A, I have to play my character. B, I was in front of Salman Khan. And मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं इस बात बोलने के लिए, इस बात को बोलने में. That every scene, every time I was petrified, standing in front of him. And also for my character, it's not an easy character because इसमें starting होता है arrogant है, हारा हुआ है उसके बावजूद भी एक exterior है. And throughout the film, if you see, he's just changing so much. So to understand that, keep that, all those nuances, and to be with the script, not to leave the character, not to keep arrogance when he doesn't need arrogance, was a challenge. But again, I had a great director. I think that credit does go to Ali, to my director.
Absolutely. And I think good writer as well, yeah.
Yes, he's amazing.
He's written some very good dialogues and the screenplay as well. Yeah. Many people don't realize what screenplay is all about. Yeah. This is Naina from BBSR. I don't know what BBSR means.
Hi Naina.
Telling me what's amazing in the movie and what's the best thing about Salman Khan according to him.
यार ये शो 5-6 घंटे चलाना पड़ेगा इस सवाल के जवाब देने के. I think most amazing quality उनकी ये है कि he wants to do good for everyone, which I have never seen a person like this. He wants to just do good for everyone. Like उनकी problem है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, that he wants to do good for everyone, which is.
And what many people don't realize, many people tend to be very superficial while talking about him. वो जितना बहुत सी चीजें he does in terms of charity and everything, and वो he ensures कि किसी को पता ना चले. Because we are in media, somehow we get to know certain things which no one knows actually, and he does not want that to come out. And he's conscious about the fact that it's not come out.
Which is I think really commendable.
कि एक हाथ से दे तो दूसरे हाथ
नहीं पता चलना चाहिए. He's there.
Which is I think really interesting. And
BBSR is Bhubaneswar.
Even I thought. I thought so as well.
And SNDT is, you know what SNDT is? You don't know what SNDT is?
I know it is college. But
you know JVPD?
Juhu.
You know BDSM?
JPD.
Alright, so we'll move to the next question. This is Naveen from Hyderabad. Did you two work out with Salman and other MMA wrestlers? How was the atmosphere at the sets about fitness? Did you work out with Salman Khan?
Yes, I did. I am very fortunate to work out with him. Actually, I worked out with Sir a lot. काफ़ी वर्कआउट्स किए मैंने उनके साथ. एंड वो ये है कि वो उनके साथ वर्कआउट करने के लिए पहले 2-3 दिन अच्छे से खाना पड़ता है और 3-4 दिन आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते. तो एकदम आएंगे साथ 500 पुशअप्स. You look at him like, are you serious? And he'll actually do 500. He's so strong. He is so strong, man. And the knowledge he has on gym and fitness is next level.
No, but इसमें तो I think he's hugely inspiring. What he's done.
We've seen his shoulders.
It's like
huge shoulders.
Even that shirt वाला जो scene है, I spoke to.
मेरा favorite scene है.
मेरा भी. I spoke to Ali in detail about that.
This interview is incomplete. I'm sorry to say.
Please,
without talking that.
बोलिए.
वो जब आते हैं ना यार वो मेरी लाइफ का नंबर 1 सीन. सबके होते हैं ना एज एन एक्टर.
बिल्कुल. I think he is outstanding in that scene.
मेरे आज तक के था मेरा Pursuit of Happiness में एक सीन है जब विल स्मिथ अपने बेटे से, क्योंकि पहले उसने बोला तो बास्केटबॉल नहीं करेगा, फिर उसको बुरा लगता है, वो जाके बोलता है ना कि यू हैव अ ड्रीम, यू प्रोटेक्ट इट. बहुत प्यारा मोनोलॉग.
अमेजिंग.
मेरा फेवरेट सीन था.
वेरी गुड फिल्म.
मेरी लाइफ का नंबर 1 सीन अभी है. एंड आई टोल्ड सर आल्सो.
नहीं बनता है एक्चुअली. ही इज आउटस्टैंडिंग.
जो देखते हैं अपना पेड़ मिरर में एंड देन ही वेयर्स अ शर्ट एंड ही इज क्राइंग.
No, we spoke to Ali about it, and he spoke for almost 4-5 minutes about only this scene actually, and how it was a one-take scene, and the way he worked out before that, and his chest is all pumped up, and he did heavy weights, and the logic behind doing the heavy weights before the scene, in spite of the fact that he's having some weight and everything, which is amazing.